Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is Greg with Greg Pittman Drone and Tech, and this is the conclusion of the Zino Mini Pro crash. Hubsan got back to me. They did the right thing. They replaced the drone. Got the drone here. The gimbal's right on it. It doesn't catch on the dampers like the other one did. It's working great, and the footage is pretty good. But the flying characteristics of it is really good. Haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. I'm going to go out here and take it for a flight with you guys to kind of show you how it hovers, and we'll kind of go from there. So without any further ado, let's go outside. Alright guys, we're outside here with the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, and I'm going to give you a view of it hovering here. We get it, got our satellites here. Had to do a compass calibration on it, so we got that done. So let's down and out, get the motors fired up.
Mode obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with
We'll bring it up to a hover. There we go. While it's settling in there, I am going to go in here and set a white balance. Here, it's 5,500. I want a little bit more than that. $62, not quite 62. I want it down about 6. 5,900. I'll buy 5,900. Okay. But anyway, here's a Zino. We're going to bring it into the camera here so that you can see it. Up nice and close. Get it up there nice and close to the camera. And we'll do a Marcus Crawford and rock it back and forth and let you see that gimbal work. Now, with any other Hubsan, I wouldn't do that. But with this little guy here, he's pretty solid. So we'll go up and we'll take it for a flight, kind of give you some footage of how the camera does. Get it up here, bring it down, check our horizon. I've done a gimbal calibration to this thing, but I still get a crooked horizon that I'll always have to correct just a little bit, not a whole lot. And how's that? That looks pretty good. Turn it back and forth and make sure it's not going to change on us. And it did. No, it didn't. Give it one more bump. cut that out. And we'll do this so we get a good clean screen recording. We're going to go on up here. That's about 40 meters. I don't know what that is in feet, but it's 40 meters. That should be high enough. We'll just go on down this way. We're going to straight down here. It's about the school. Take a look down in there, lower the gimbal a little bit. And that's it there. We'll turn it around here. Got somebody burning over there, looks like. Turn it around here to the school. Turn back just a little bit. We'll just come back sideways. Give a nice sideways shot. You got KU up there in the background. And we'll bring in the downtown Kansas City here pretty soon. And I'll swing it on around there to downtown Kansas City. Back up here a little bit. Get it off from over my neighbor's yard. We'll take a look around here. Now, I don't know how the video feed is going to come out, but what I've got here on the monitor is good. And there we're going into the sun. Looks like somebody else is burning over there too. Come on around here. Kind of turn it around here quick and a loud bite maybe. Yep, there he went down the hill. But I think that picture is just really good. We'll zoom in on downtown there. Bring the camera up some. You know, it zooms in here on the phone, but I just don't think it's doing it on the actual footage. So we'll zoom back out of that. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the, well, let's go ahead and try a return to home. Have it searched up parking apron. Bring that gimbal down just a little bit. We'll move it out this way here. There we go, and we'll hit the return to home button now.
Return to home.
When it gets back here, I'm going to stop recording. I got a bird attacking it up there. Boy, he was all up in my stuff. Okay, when it looks down, I'm going to stop recording. And it's going to miss it. Ah, found it. It actually found it. I still think it's going to miss it, but we'll see. Here it comes, coming down slow. Coming down. I'm going to let it land. Push it forward.
Refresh the return point. Please mind the return position.
There we go. It missed the pad. It got 2 feet on.
Turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
Okay. Let me turn this thing off here. And we'll do a quick conclusion here. The new drone flies great. I have no problems with the way it flies. Is it DJI quality? It's not there, but it's close. It's good. It's a good flying machine. But when DJI has just got their stuff down to a T. But this is a good drone. I'm happy with my purchase. I kind of expected to have some hiccups when I bought it, and I look forward to the updates coming in the future to refine the machine. I think once they get it refined, it's going to be a really good machine. Anyway, I say it's good. For what it is, it's good. Is it better than a DJI Mini 2? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's quite there. But we'll see in the future with updates how it comes. But anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. And I guess until next time, I'll catch you later. Okay?